What is Transpacific? Transpacific is a satellite teleport services company that was given a congressional franchise under Republic Act 8657. There are very few VSAT and satellite operators in the Philippines, and Transpacific is one of them that has been operating for the past 20 years. TBGI's mission is to connect people, empower Filipinos to have better access to information, education, and livelihood programs.
Hi, I'm Alvin Oxon, President and CEO of Terralogix Corporation. Terralogix Corporation is a dynamic company that aims to break into the national market. Our foundation rests in providing cost-efficient yet dependable auxiliary infrastructure to small and medium-scale companies. Our goal is to empower communities by providing them with good access to information. TBGI was introduced to me by Anthony Agustin, Regional Director for Kacific Broadband Philippines.
Working with Terralogix is great. I call Terralogix the enabler. In every grand plan, without the enabler, the plan is a waste. So, more power to Terralogix.
The key is to train local partners that are equipped with the right skill and knowledge and who knows the local culture.
The most rewarding part of the partnership with Kacific is the clients. To see the testimonies of clients, how internet connectivity has helped them to uplift their lives and for better education and gives them the opportunity and hope to be better Filipinos. That is the most rewarding part. In moving forward with Kacific, we plan to install 7,676 sites in the Philippines, more than the Philippine Islands.
Kacific, the heart of broadband.